Ayaw lagi pagkuan diya, Mak. My son destroyed me. Look, what he's doing over there.
Ato ta sa paugma, ma. Ha?
Hi to my 93 viewers. Hello. You have a nice, charming eyes. Oh, really? Are you? Hello to Muhammad Nasam. Working from Dubai. Shout out. Isafar Engineering. Oh, nice job. So, napapagpuyo. Good, ma? Dito na yung uluhan. Mabalik na po. 1 month. Oh, that's good. But oh, thank you for watching my live. Sorry for about 3 days I'm not going live because I'm so busy. Because I have to go to the my cousin was died last 26 of the car accident. That's why our whole family sad. That's why I can't go for live for now. I'll be back live. Sometimes I can't go live because I'm so very tired at night time. Like I have to take care of my son and also my mom, my old mom. I have to make prepare food every time. Good night, friend. Thank you. Good night. Thank you. My belly. I have to exercise this because I can't go exercise, go out because of always raining this time. Maybe in the future I will go back to job. And now we have so many parties. Oh, please, what please? Don't speak. Just watch. Paglantaw lang. Hi, Dr. Petrovich. All I say is that my pretty point like watching the pulse. I wonder here is still saying, okay.
Ma, palugan ng duga.
Okay, go live po ko. Look, my son wants to off the lights. Mami, can I go to your bus? Sure, why not? You can go. I want also to meet one of my followers, my viewers in my look, very very disturbing. Nakaabot naman ka din, unsa naman na di na naman ko ng electric pan, ipa dulit na lang na imong tiil dito. Home is going to bed. Hi to my 100 viewers. Look, my eyes are tired. Look, my this my fake eyelashes are get out to meet you. Sure, you can meet me if you like. Please like and share my live, guys. Can you say at English that what you just said, your son? I said stop disturbing my life. She want to scratch his back, and then she want to turn off the light because he's very sleepy. That's why I'm not live yet. Someone on Facebook use your video there. Yes, it's okay. Why cry?